Investing Insights is an Android application designed to provide users with comprehensive financial information and analysis to aid in investment decision-making. The app aggregates data from various markets, offering insights into stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and other investment vehicles. Users can access real-time market updates, performance metrics, and expert analysis, helping them stay informed about market trends and potential investment opportunities. It often includes features such as portfolio tracking, customizable alerts for price changes, and news feeds focused on financial developments, enabling users to make timely and informed decisions. Additionally, Investing Insights may offer educational resources, helping users understand different investment strategies and market fundamentals. With its combination of data analysis, tracking tools, and educational content, the app serves as a valuable resource for both novice and experienced investors looking to enhance their financial literacy and investment success.